Sometimes you need to just take the first step, jump right in and build. But you need to do it with your friends, your partners, people that encourage you and inspire you. I think you'll find a lot of that here today. And we're really excited to launch this second annual Health Equity Forum. So thank you very much.
If I had a magic wand to improve health equity in the United States, what would I do? I would improve education. It has nothing to do with health, because we know that the higher education you have, the better health outcomes in a vacuum, the better health outcomes you tend to have.
Relationships are so important, right? And what is on my card is talking about the impact of partnership. But I think what we forget sometimes is that doesn't just come overnight. That a lot of these relationships are built over time because you have to create trust between you and another individual. And especially in a business where we are so pressured for quarterly results and, all these things, that can be sometimes lost or forgotten.
Well, everything moves at the speed of trust. Stephen Covey wrote a book, great book. You want to change the world? It moves at the speed of trust. We have to focus on building trust with all the key stakeholders, then you can change things.
I think that there is definitely opportunity for good with AI, 100%. But we also have to be really careful, especially in the world of healthcare, because there is nothing that is going to be as poignant as the voice of a true patient.
We all know that, healthcare is a part of an inequitable society. We've heard that today. We're part of a society where, unfortunately, there have been so many things that have happened to people of color, marginalized people that have put them in the conditions that they are.
The beauty of new technologies and innovation is that you can bypass the current bias sort of distribution systems that are there, the current walls that prevent health equity for all of the population.
Because if ultimately what we want is change people's lives and impact health, which is what changes communities, which is really the bedrock of anything. I don't care how much money we have, opportunity, entrepreneurship, capital flowing into communities. If you don't have health, you have nothing.